In this screencast, we'll take a few minutes to discuss the concept of jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is the power or authority a court has to hear a case or consider a particular legal motion. The basis of jurisdiction is generally one of three areas. First, subject matter. For instance, a justice of the peace court in Texas has jurisdiction over certain alcoholic beverage code violations. The basis of jurisdiction may also include the characteristics of a party involved. A juvenile court has jurisdiction over a juvenile regardless of whether or not the crime is a felony or misdemeanor. Finally, the third general basis of jurisdiction is geography. A district court in one county in Texas has no jurisdiction over a crime committed in the next county over. Geographical jurisdiction boundaries typically follow the boundary lines of cities, counties, and states. Subject, party, and geography are examples of things that form the basis for jurisdiction. The first type of jurisdiction we want to talk about is original jurisdiction. This is defined as the first court with the authority to hear a case and render a verdict. Let's look at an example. The Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Section 4.11 states, "Justices of the peace shall have original jurisdiction in criminal cases punishable by fine only." We typically know these as C misdemeanors. Now let's say this screen represents an entire Justice of the Peace precinct. The blue area is the unincorporated part of the precinct. The green area is a city located within the precinct. Now a Class C misdemeanor is fine only. So regardless of whether or not you commit that Class C misdemeanor in the green part, the city, or in the blue part, the unincorporated part of the county, the court with the authority to hear the case first, or the court with original jurisdiction, is the Justice of the Peace Court. Now, the Justice of the Peace Court will more likely than not waive their jurisdiction and allow the C misdemeanor to be heard in the municipal court. The next type of jurisdiction we want to talk about is appellate jurisdiction. This is defined as the power to review, reverse, or remand the decision of a lower court. A great example of a court with appellate jurisdiction is the U.S. Supreme Court. The U.S. Supreme Court has appellate jurisdiction over all other courts in the country.